Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I'm going to be installing this closure lace wig. First things first, I gotta make this wig look natural. As y'all can see, the knots are black, and that is a no-no. So what I'm gonna do is start to bleach the knots. I am showing you guys the construction of this wig. It comes with the elastic band already on it, with the 3 combs in the back and the adjustable strap. Most people sleep on 2x6 closure wigs just because they skip the customization of it, just because the lace is like really small. But it's 2x6 inches, meaning it's 2 inches wide and 6 inches long. And y'all, you can do some things with the 2x6 closure lace wig, so don't sleep on it. But first, we're going to go ahead and bleach the knots so that it can look more natural. And I'm just mixing the developer with the bleach powder. And y'all, when you bleach your knots, you don't want this mixture to be too loose. But I was trying to save product. I was trying to save the product. So mine was a little loose, but I know how to bleach my knots, so I made sure that it wouldn't seep through too much. And we didn't get it all on the roots and everything, so it actually worked out. Of course, because this video is sped up, you guys can't really see how I'm applying the bleach, but I'm using like a very light hand. I'm not doing this with a hard hand. And bleach rises, so when it oxidizes, it's gonna rise into the roots anyways, so you don't have to push it in. Once I'm done, I flip the wig over the right way and then put like a plastic bag or something under it so that it's not laying flat. And look, very bleached, perfect. Like no over bleached knots, even though it was loose. Yeah, just want to make sure you watch it. This is your ideal part, baby. Okay, like look how long that part is. It goes back 6 inches, so it's gonna make your hairstyle look really natural having a long part like this. But you want to make sure that you tweak it a little. So what I do is I go in and I pluck a really like natural part. So I just pluck basically by the knots. I go in a straight line all the way to the back, pull the hairs, pluck the hairs, whatever, get them out, but make sure that you stay in the straight line. And of course, this wig is from Love Me Hair, and that's the wig bag. They gave me some press-on nails and some little goodies in the bag. These are some lashes, y'all. Them lashes was fire. I actually put these on in the video, and you guys will see those towards the end. I definitely love when companies go the extra mile and send goodies, like, yes. Here's how the part looks after it's been plucked. Didn't do too much, and it's fine, period. This is a Swiss medium brown lace, but I still went in with a little makeup to color match it to me. And then I just sprayed some hairspray on it to seal that in. Y'all see I got some new braids. I redid my braids. That's too funny. But I went in with some hair oil, which is this scalp nutrition serum, and just rub it in, do a little gentle scalp massage because I'm gonna have this wig on. Honestly, just doing the natural prep for a wig, gelling my hair back, getting all of those flyaways, making sure my edges are sleek so that they don't show through the wig, and then cleaning off my forehead to go ahead and start the application. Y'all, this wig was really easy to apply, and the elastic band, you don't even have to gel this down, glue this down, or nothing. This wig ain't going nowhere. And I had to check my other wigs because, y'all, this part had me elated. I love how they curved the tracks on the inside of the wig. So, like, if I wanted to wear it in a ponytail, you wouldn't know. Like, look at that. It looks so good. I was so happy when I seen that. And none of my other wigs I made like that. I can't believe we 4 minutes in this video and I forgot to address y'all. If you are new here, hey boo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good? What's poppin', sis? Y'all know what's going on. Anyways, I decided to go ahead and tack this wig down because I know me, I'll snatch my wig off in a second. So I gotta have some type of bun, something, just to know that this wig needs to be on my head. So what I did was I went in with some gel, And we just gonna lay this wig down, y'all. It's very, very simple. I just put a couple layers of the gel and then just put the lace into that. Very similar to gluing your wig down, but it's not glue, it's gel, so it's gonna come right off with water. And here I'm just cutting off my lace with some, no, I'm gonna actually use a razor to cut my lace off, because sometimes the scissors just don't be working for me. So I just like to go in with the razor so I can know that I'm getting that jagged edge cut. So yeah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
After I cut that lace off, I went in with some hairspray to like smooth down the edges of the lace, and I made a mistake and sprayed the camera. Yeah, I was trying to hurry up and put this wig on. Like I said, it didn't take much. It was really, really easy to install. So yeah, and I don't know why I wanted to put some baby hairs in this wig, but if you just a person that just love baby hairs with everything, you is me and I'm as you, cause like we won. I don't know. Me and the baby hairs, I just gotta have some. So I pulled some baby hairs out, or some edges, to prep for the baby hairs.
Baby squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you...
When I first started to form these baby hairs, y'all, I was getting discouraged because I was like, what is going on? It just was not coming out how I wanted to, but this is just to show you that you can do baby hairs with a 2x6 closure. It won't be much, but you will have some.
You let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.
Now I'm going in with some makeup to furthermore define their part and make it look more natural. And y'all, if I didn't mention before, the streaks on this wig, the blonde streaks, they did come like this. So the wig was pre-dyed. The knots just were not. So I had to only go in and customize the knots. And I went in with a little mascara to fix up those roots where you can see they almost like got over bleached just a tad bit. But we fixed it, so quick fix, nothing major. Taking some oil for some shine, and also this acts as a heat protectant as well, because we're gonna do some curls. Y'all, this hair really feels so good. Like, you can see the natural shine on the hair, and I washed it, so like, yeah, this hair is really, really good. And it's in 16 inches. Very natural looking for a 2x6 closure wig.
I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
It's like in every video I burn myself. Look, like I was so upset because this is like right at the top of my forehead. And by the end of this video, y'all gonna see it get redder and redder and gonna create like a little bruise on my forehead. Like, ugh, I just cannot believe I always burn myself. But yeah, I'm doing some little pin curls. Y'all, this hair was straight and the curls lasted. Like, this hair curls so good. I was really so amazed at this wig. It's crazy because this is actually my new get up and go wig. Like, every day, if I don't have my hair done, this is the wig that I go to because it's so easy to install. It's no effort, and I just put it on and go.
I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road. But I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company?
You guys can just watch me curl my hair and do some mini pin curls. I was running out of like clips, so I had to take some from the other side and use them on this side. So yeah.
Me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on.
Comment down below and let me know what kind of curls you guys prefer, whether it's with the flat irons, the wand curls, or like an actual barrel curler. Because I don't know, these curls came out so fire. I think I'm leaning more towards the barrel curler just because I don't use this on the normal basis, but these curls are so pretty.
Make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the.
So I combed out these curls with my hand, and y'all can see how easily it just glides through the hair. Y'all, this hair was top tier, and I love the blonde pieces. It just gave it that effect, like classy but still that girl. Yes. And these are the lashes that I chose. They are so cute. That completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to shop Love Me Hair. I will have all of their information down below in the description box. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.